ICT's momentous journey started from the garage of this building 25 years ago. We laid our foundations in 1987 on opportunities, challenges, and our commitment to achieve. This has consistently guided us throughout the 25 glorious years. We are Intercontinental Consultants and Technocrats Private Limited, and the world calls us ICT. Starting an enterprise from scratch required courage, vision, conviction, and hard work, for which Mr. K.K. Kapila provided the leadership.
The tough decision to start a consulting company at that point of time, but I was confident that there is going to be a lot of scope, the economy is going to open up, it was only a matter of time, and I believed firmly that those who start at that point of time will have ample opportunity of growth, and the potential thereafter will be immense.
ICT as an enterprise has provided services in 35 countries. At present, we are working in 22 countries, have 51 offices nationwide and 16 offices worldwide. An overall holistic approach with teamwork has been the hallmark. ICT stands for growth, for itself, and for each of its employees individually.
ICT was my calling in life from the day I left my engineering. It was something that was close to the heart, something which I saw my father struggle to create, and something I wanted to become a part of. I am today proud to be a part of ICT for the last 12 years and been through it for the half part of its journey. I look forward to contributing to its growth and serving its people and also our clients and people worldwide.
There has been an inclusive growth of my team. ICTians have done well and they have really grown and developed themselves.
At ICT, are committed to provide quality engineering services through our people, our knowledge, and our endeavor to provide cost-effective, sustainable, and environmental-friendly solutions. ICT, in a span of 25 years, has covered various sectors such as highways, bridges, airports, transportation, power, water resources, urban infrastructure, metro rail, water supply, and public health engineering.
ICT, in its 25 years, has provided services encompassing feasibility, detail engineering design, and supervision of large number of projects covering different sectors such as highways, expressways, bridges and flyovers, airports and aviation systems, water supply and sanitation, and public health engineering. ICT is currently handling projects valued at $28 billion. Some of the milestones achieved during our journey of 25 years. While these achievements stand out, we still remember where it all began for us.
One of the projects which we did for Government of India, Department of Tourism at that stage was economic benefits of tourism. That project became a great hit. It was a small project in terms of financials, but it was very well received and the government printed that report and it was referred to thereafter for almost 10 to 15 years by everybody in the Planning Commission and in the Department of Tourism as a book to be, as a reference book.
While this was our first splash in the domestic market, ICT made its first international breakthrough with the Nepal Civil Aviation Study, funded by the Asian Development Bank in 1991. The project entailed a study of 40 airstrips across Nepal to gauge the infrastructure development required for further tourism in Nepal.
We always delivered good quality work and on time. There have been occasions when we lost money, but we never compromised quality.
Milestone projects, Mongolia, ICT established itself as an international consultant in Mongolia. Apart from the prioritized plan of road networks for the country, it has completed more than 30 projects encompassing roads, water supply, solid waste management, infrastructure strengthening and capacity building. It assisted in ushering economic development. Ethiopia in East Africa was an important destination where ICT opened its sister organization, International Consultants Ethiopia Private Limited. ICT has done in all about 30 projects covering roads, irrigation and water supply and urban development. This helped to bring about economic prosperity to the country. Bangladesh, one of the biggest consultancy projects in road sector in Southeast Asia, valued at more than $10 million, was backed by ICT in Bangladesh. This established ICT's credentials as a leading consultancy firm in the region. Ajmer Pushkar, a heritage city, needed urban renewable improvement, being one of the first under JNN-URM. ICT provided the requisite technical solution covering engineering and policy intervention. Afghanistan, a war-ravaged country, urgently needed infrastructure development. Despite security concerns and immense hardship, ICT decided to enter Afghanistan and provide services for capacity building, land use and road development, basic infrastructure for urban services for the capital city Kabul. Ghana became an important destination in West Africa. ICT backed its first project for rehabilitation of Kumasi Airport. The Ghana government was immensely satisfied with the quality of services, subsequently awarding the rehabilitation of Tamale and Takoradi airports. All these projects being critical for Africa Football Games were accomplished in time. The prestigious Millennium Challenge Corporation MCC USA funded the Ring Road Upgradation Project N1 Highway was also backed by ICT. This project, popularly known as George Walker Bush Motorway, is complete and is being inaugurated on 15th February 2012 by the Honorable President of Ghana, His Excellency Mr. John Evans Atta Mills. Expressways. Another laurel in the basket of ICT's performance has been the ability to develop the expressways in India. Valuable services encompassing new geometric design and aesthetically pleasing structures have been provided for the two landmark projects, Taj Expressway and Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway.
The board has members who have worked both in the public sector, in different positions, and as well as the private sector. Thus, the board decision is unique and holds paramount importance and is always taken as the deciding factor before we move ahead.
I wish this company further growth. This year I think the target is about 200 crores and we hope to achieve that. We are working practically all over India in all these states as well as abroad. Foreign countries like Mongolia, African countries, Nepal.
Mr. Kapila has been a very good leader and has provided the requisite guidance and support to all the people in the company. It's a great moment for rejoicing and of satisfaction for each ICCTian because they have contributed immensely to the growth of the company and they have also benefited from the company in this path. And it's a great day for satisfaction and rejoicing.
I take privilege to be a part of the ICT family which looks after the growth of every individual and the community at large. It contributes to the infrastructure development of not only India but across the globe, and I take pride to be a part of this lovely family.
Starting as a small unit but with a vision to emerge as a leading player in the global consultancy segment, ICT completes its 25th year.
Great congratulations to Mr. Kapila on this achievement.
FIEO. The Vice President of India bestowed the Niryat Shri Award to ICT under the auspices of FIEO for outstanding export performance during 2000-2001. Bentley System USA, renowned for developing software of road design, bestowed the Bentley Award for Design Excellence to ICT for the four-laning of National Highway IA project in the state of Jammu and Kashmir involving intricate geometric design. Business Sphere, the Outstanding Engineering Consultant of the Year award was bestowed on ICT in 2008 during the Business Sphere National Conclave. ABI, the American Biographical Institute conferred the World Lifetime Achievement Award for Outstanding Achievements in Infrastructure Development to Mr. K.K. Kapila, CMD ICT, in the year 2010. Who's Who, Mr. K.K. Kapila, CMD ICT, was bestowed the award for significant career achievements and contributions to society in 2002-2003 by Who's Who by American Biographical Institute. KENSA, Korea Engineering and Consulting Association, bestowed the Plaque of Appreciation in 2008 to Mr. K.K. Kapila for his most valuable contribution to the 2008 TCD PAP and FIDIC ASPAC Seoul Conference on the theme of the role of engineering in the globalization era by sharing his expert views and the experience. Arch of Europe, at the 37th International Quality Convention at Frankfurt, Germany, ICT bagged the prestigious International Arch of Europe Award for the organization's commitment to quality, technology, innovation and leadership. Star CEO Mr. K.K. Kapila, CMD ICT, was awarded the Star CEO of the Year 2010 for Medium Enterprises by Business Today and Yes Bank. Each one of our team stands dedicated and committed to build a good infrastructure for the economic development of a nation.
So we are committed to safe and sustainable development, and as part of sustainable development, it is important that the natural resources are preserved and utilized very judiciously.
My message to all ICTians on our Silver Jubilee is that we should not sit back and congratulate ourselves on the 25 years gone by, but we must promise ourselves that we are going to work stronger, harder, and with enriched zeal to accomplish double or triple of what we have done so far over the next 5 years.
Today, we celebrate 25 years of glory and will like to thank a lot of people for helping us reach these heights. All our clients, the governments of India, Ghana, Ethiopia, Tanzania, Bangladesh, Mongolia, each and every nation whose government has shown faith and trust in ICT and given us a chance to provide quality services for the development of their infrastructure. ICT's vision remains to be a premier international consultancy organization, continuously striving to provide eco-friendly solutions, adopting state-of-the-art practices with commitment to quality, customer satisfaction and adoption of green technologies.